Welcome to our guide on the 5 best die cutting machines you can buy this year. Die cutting machines are a great way to add custom touches to all kinds of projects, from paper crafts to home decor and more. Whether you're looking for a machine for scrapbooking, card making, quilting, or any other projects, there's sure to be something here for you. We've put together a guide of the 5 best die cutting machines available so that you can find the perfect one for your needs. We'll also provide you with an overview of each machine and all the features they offer so you can make an informed decision. So let's get started. Number 5. Cricut Maker 3 Smart Cutting Machine. The Cricut Maker 3 is an excellent choice for crafters who are looking for a smart cutting machine. It is 2 times faster and has 10 times cutting force compared to previous Cricut models, making it perfect for more complex projects. It is compatible with 300+ materials and is capable of matless cutting with smart materials. It also has Bluetooth connectivity and is compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Additionally, the device has built-in storage and a USB port for charging your device while you craft. This is a great cutting machine for those who are looking to take their creative projects to the next level. Number 4. Silhouette Portrait 3 Electronic Cutting Tool. This is a great tool for anyone looking to add a personal touch to any project. The Silhouette Portrait 3 is easy to use and has a wide range of materials it can cut. It also has Bluetooth and AutoBlade technology for easy setup. The pigskin compatibility makes it easy to cut printed materials. The higher 2mm clearance also makes it compatible with the deep cut blade. Overall, this is a great tool for anyone looking to make custom projects. Number 3. Cricut Joy Machine. The Cricut Joy Machine is a great choice for creative crafters looking for a compact, portable device with the power of a full-sized machine. The blade can make precise, intricate cuts from a variety of materials like cardstock, vinyl decal, iron-on, and more, while the easy-to-use app-based design space lets you create personalized and custom designs from your mobile phones or laptops. The machine is lightweight, easy to set up, and packs away easily for on-the-go crafting. It's perfect for making vinyl stickers, labels for offices, kitchens, or homes, or customizing birthday cards or banners. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a smart cutting machine. Number 2. Silhouette Blush Pink Cameo 4 Bundle. The Cameo 4 Bundle from Silhouette is an amazing set for any craft lover. It comes with all the tools and materials you need to create your own designs without having to buy any additional designs or fonts, making it a great choice for those with a tight budget. This bundle includes 64 Oracle vinyl sheets, a variety of tools, design guides, and even an online instructional class. It also features a dual motor system and a smart tool detection system that makes cutting easier and faster, and a built-in roll feeder for thicker materials. The bundle also comes with a $25 design credit for the Silhouette Design Store. All in all, this bundle is an amazing package for anyone looking to get into crafting. Number 1. Brother ScanNCut SDX 125E Electronic Cutting Machine. The Brother ScanNCut Electronic Cutting Machine is an excellent tool for hobbyists and crafters. It has a built-in scanner that can scan drawings and materials, as well as 682 built-in designs, including 100 quilting patterns and 9 fonts. The machine is able to cut up to 3mm thick materials. This machine is great for creating custom stickers, vinyl wall art, and greeting cards.